guys, if your 9 to 5 job is not helping you earn enough to fulfill your lifestyle goals, then this video is for you. Here's an explanatory video giving you deeds on how to invest into stock market, a shortcut to earn big. So let's start it. Basics of investing into stock market. Stock market 101. Studies show that 100% Indians are not satisfied with their salaries. Well, who is? Fret not, we'll help you multiply your savings. Invest to multiply. You start with a minimal 1000 rupees. Invest wisely with us and earn more while still earning the same. Stock market is considered as a gamble by some. However, investment is not only limited to stock market, but question here is, why should one invest in the first place? A happy human being has dreams. A happy human being, however, achieves those dreams. During this video, we'll help you figure out how to become a happy human being. That is, someone who has the resources to achieve those dreams. So if you take 1000 from your salary and invest into a fixed deposit, you will get a return of 6 to 7%. But if you take 1000 from your salary and invest into a reliable stock, you will earn a return of 14 to 20%, which is the difference between dreaming and accomplishing those dreams. Now let's talk about what exactly is the stock market. Stock market is a platform to trade shares of public listed companies. A stock exchange facilitates the stockbroker to trade company stocks and other securities. So to the left is the infamous bear of the stock market, always in competition to the bull of the stock market. In this video, we'll be familiarizing you with the concepts of stock market, common terminologies used and how the stock market works. First of all, shares. Now you keep hearing that people bought shares, sold them, these share prices went up or went down. But what exactly are they? Like how they work? So a share is a unit in the company which gives its holders the right ownership up to the number of shares in holding of the company. As you can see, here the lady pulls a part of the company, but what she is holding are the shares of the company. Now that you know about the concepts on the terms in the stock market, let's start with the next step. That is the how stuff happens in the stock market. Just to simplify things, I'll be explaining the process through the workings of a company. Now if the company needs funds for its further expansion and operation. So suppose the company needs 50 lakh rupees, for which they can issue 5 lakh shares of rupees 10 per share, and the 10 rupees would be the face value of the share. Now if the company is issuing its shares for the first time into the stock market, it's in the initial public offering, called as the primary market, and further buying and selling of those shares are done in the secondary market. For buying and selling of shares, a person needs the help of a stockbroker who acts as a mediator between the buyer and the seller. Let us also know about who regulates the stock market. Securities Exchange Board of India. The stock trading into the market are based on the guidelines issued by SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. And SEBI acts as a watchdog over the activities in the stock market to avoid any unfair trade practices like insider trading. As promised, in the last segment of this video, I'll be introducing you with the steps to become a trader. Now how to trade on your own. You need a savings account linked with a demat and a trading account. A demat account is used for storing the shares and the trading account is used for the transactions, which is the ultimate way towards your profits. Now, if you are just starting to participate in stock market, then unlike others, don't rush for immediate returns. Stock market is for people who want to stay in it. There are 3 things you need to keep in mind before going for investment. The first one is invest in a good company by analyzing its fundamentals because they tell you a lot more about the company's performance. Then invest for a long term because the long term gains are much more. And the final one, choose between patience or risk bearability because nothing is gonna come super soon to you, obviously. Hope this video helped you got some insight into the basics of stock market. In the next video, I'll tell you about the different investment options in the market. Please show some love to the video and hit the bell icon for more such videos on the stock market and related concepts. Thank you.